Rusty. Yun na. Reverse done. It's very dizzy. Good morning, guys. It's yeah. Dari gapon sila kakatulog sa among room bisag na sila own room. This is our morning routine. So, yung anime, mataguntang. Come on, guys. Uy, Rusty. Sige na ba? Sige na. Sinaligo na sila. Uy. Uy.
That's what to do, Mom. To learn how to get privacy.
What? Privacy.
I'm gonna go old now.
Sabado privacy karon China. Morning. China, ligo na sige na. Go, go, go. Ligo na. Alright. Still dark. Hindi maklaro. Gubot ang balay. Coffee dayon. Wala mi ka grocery ron. Ano dili. O mi na grocery. Wa na gid mi pang grocery. Duda lang ko itong doon. Tulog to balik. Ay, dari mo niya mong matag buntag. Hoy! Dan? Dan?
No cameras.
Hey, Dan.
No.
Show me your something.
It's so cold.
Aste. Yun na. Reverse done.
Stop.
Ako na isunod. Giubo ko. Pag siyempre, before ka mo adto sa opisina, so siyempre, busy makita may dala. Bisa pa kung sa kakamay laki, madutlan gyapon si Tarzan sa mga sakit-sakit. Busa, di mawala ang food supplement. Bago ni siya, Bioclone. Toothbrush na oy. Bioclone. There. Mag food supplement, no? Para healthy for me. So mo niya kung kuan lang. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go. Brush mo ko. Tada, nag-ilis ko kaya nabutangan og toothpaste.
And it's the low battery, so we have to do it again. Oh, shoot.
And since si Ella, alas 11 pa man yung klase, so bano na mo siya tapos balik.
Yeah.
Tada. Kami na rin nakadali din.
Kuya, wala ka bakos. Kuya, remote mo rin yung belt.
Nag-bend na. Thank you, cameraman. Give that to mommy. It's already 5:40. I'm late.
Still batteries on battery.
Yeah, sure.
Reach 1,000. Okay.
Again, muna yung routine. So, padalong ako sa akong Monday man ron. So, si Ella tulog pa sa likod. This is our village.
Just to not give away our area. Or I want to say we'll live in those stuff.
Subdivision in a forest. It's a little bit gloomy.
It's raining.
So it's a rainy morning, everybody.
It was not raining, it was raining last night. Today is
to the village. That's it. That's our morning routine.
Then later, we'll do our evening routine now.